Rimac 2025, the future of electric hypercars. In 2025, Rimac Automobili is poised to redefine the world of electric hypercars with its groundbreaking advancements in performance, design, and technology. As one of the leading innovators in electric vehicle engineering, Rimac's upcoming models continue to set new standards, promising a combination of speed, luxury, and sustainability that few can match. The Rimac 2025 lineup is expected to push the limits of what electric hypercars can achieve. The Croatian automaker, founded in 2009 by mate Rimac, has gained global recognition for its electric hypercar, the Rimac Nevera. Known for its incredible powertrain and futuristic design, Rimac's next generation of vehicles is set to deliver even greater performance and a host of cutting-edge features. Design and performance. The design philosophy for Rimac's 2025 models revolves around elegance, aerodynamics, and advanced materials. Every detail of the car is optimized for both beauty and functionality. Expect lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber structures, along with aggressive aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve speed but also provide stability at high speeds. In terms of performance, Rimac is aiming to break new records. The 2025 hypercars are anticipated to be equipped with improved battery technology, offering faster charging times and longer range. With outputs exceeding 2,000 horsepower, Rimac's electric vehicles will continue to shatter expectations for acceleration, likely reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.5 seconds. Top speeds of over 250 miles per hour are expected, making these vehicles serious contenders for the fastest electric cars on the planet. Advanced technologies. Rimac's 2025 cars will integrate an array of cutting-edge technologies, including autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and state-of-the-art infotainment options. These features will not only enhance safety and convenience but will also bring a new level of sophistication to the driving experience. Additionally, Rimac is focusing on further improving its proprietary battery systems, allowing for better energy efficiency, faster recharging, and extended vehicle lifespans. Sustainability and eco-friendly innovation. Rimac's commitment to sustainability remains at the core of its mission. The company's 2025 models will utilize environmentally friendly manufacturing processes and materials while continuing to push the boundaries of zero-emission technology. With a focus on electric mobility, Rimac is leading the way toward a greener future for the automotive industry. In conclusion, Rimac's 2025 lineup will undoubtedly push the envelope of what an electric hypercar can be. By combining innovative design, electrifying performance, and sustainability, Rimac continues